Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily activate and log into your JetBlue Mastercard. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tech and finance updates. So, let's get started. How to activate your JetBlue Mastercard. You have two simple ways to activate your JetBlue Mastercard: online activation or phone activation. Method 1. Online activation. Open your browser and go to jetbluemastercard.com/activate. You'll be redirected to the official Barclays website, as Barclays is the issuer of the JetBlue Mastercard. Enter your card details, including 16-digit credit card number, security code, CVV, last 4 digits of your social security number, SSN. Verify your identity and submit the form. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation message that your JetBlue Mastercard has been successfully activated. Method 2. Phone activation. To activate your card via phone, call the number printed on the sticker attached to your new card. If you don't see a sticker, call 1-877-40-88866. Provide the required details: card number, CVV, and last 4 digits of your SSN. Follow the automated instructions to verify your identity. Once completed, the system will confirm that your JetBlue Mastercard is activated. How to log into your JetBlue Mastercard account. Once your card is activated, you can easily log in to manage payments, track transactions, and redeem JetBlue rewards. Online login process. Visit the official Barclays login page at jetbluemastercard.com. Enter your username and password, then click Login. You'll now access your JetBlue Mastercard account dashboard. Forgot username or password? If you can't log in, click on Forgot Username or Password on the login page. Enter the last 4 digits of your SSN, your date of birth, and your card number, then follow the instructions to reset your credentials. JetBlue Mastercard Customer Support. If you face any issues with activation or login, you can contact Barclays Customer Support. JetBlue Mastercard Support, 1-866-928-3104. General Barclays Credit Card Support, 1-877-523-0478. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video on Tech Gitter Official.